In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse text in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a creative project or just want to experiment with text formatting, this little trick will come in handy. Now, let's dive into it and get started with reversing text in Google Docs. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you like best. Once you've opened it, head over to the search bar and type in Google Docs. Click on the link that leads you directly to Google Docs' main page. If you already have the link bookmarked, even better. Go straight there. Now that you're on the Google Docs page, look out for the Sign In button, usually at the top right. Click on it and use your Google credentials to log in. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly to your document dashboard, which saves you a step. With the straightforward login process out of the way, it's time to select the document where you'd like to insert your reversed text. You can either open an existing document by clicking on it, or start a new one by clicking on the blank document template, typically located on the top row. Once your document is open, look towards the top menu bar and click on Insert. This is where all the additional features of Google Docs are hiding. A drop-down menu will appear when you click Insert. From this menu, move your cursor down to Drawing, and once highlighted, select New. A new window will pop up titled Drawing. Next, on the top left within the Drawing window, you'll see an option labeled Actions. Click on it to open another drop-down menu and select Word Art from this list. This feature is what allows you to create text that can be modified in creative ways, including flipping it. Time to input the text. Type the text you want to reverse directly into the Word Art text box and press Enter. Your text should now appear in box form within the drawing window. Now onto the magic step. Right-click on the Word Art you've just created. This will bring up a context menu where you should see the option Rotate. Hover over Rotate, and another menu will pop out to the side. Select Flip horizontally from these options. This flips your text, giving you that mirrored effect you're looking for. If you find that the flipped text needs resizing, you can adjust the size of the text box by clicking and dragging the corners. This might help if you want the text to fit proportionally into your document. Finally, once the text looks the way you want it to, click Save and Close at the top right of the drawing page. Your reversed text should now appear in your Google Docs document exactly where your cursor was last positioned. And there you have it. You've successfully reversed text in Google Docs by using the Word Art feature. Feel free to experiment with different fonts, colors, and sizes to customize your mirrored text. Thanks for watching, and happy text reversing.